Samantha dahil siya ang top 1 sa klase. Thank you guys! Mag-aral din kasi kayo na maayos. Paano nangyari yun? Nag-review naman ako buong gabi ah. Tama naman lahat na sinagot ko sa exam. Oh, Scarlett, bawi ka na lang ha. Ikaw ang pinaka-lowest. Talaga ba, Samantha? Alam naman nating dalawa kung sino talaga yung top 1 at hindi ikaw yun. Ilusyonada ka talaga kahit kailan.
Make some hot yogurt ice cream using only sticks and your favorite yogurt.
Dali-dali lang na
Add the
isa.
sticks into the yogurt and then freeze for about 2 to 3 hours. Then place under warm water and enjoy.
Kung wala ba kayo nun?
Kailangan kong malaman kung anong ginawa mo, Samantha. Magre-rewind ako. Manda ka sa akin.
Nakapag-rewind ako. Ikaw pala ang top 1, Scarlett? Tignan ko na lang kung sino magiging top 1 after neto. Ha? Bawal yun na. Okay, class. Start na tayo. Class, magle-lesson na tayo ha. Ma'am, bago mo ituloy yan, may kailangan ka malaman. Ano yan, Scarlett? Pinagpalit mo ni Samantha yung grades namin sa laptop niyo, ma'am. Kaya hindi dapat siya yung top 1, kundi ako. Ganyan ka na ba ka-desperada, Scarlett? Naiingit ka sa akin, no? Kasi ako yung top 1. Ako ba ang desperada, Samantha? O baka ikaw? Kitang-kita dito sa phone na ginalaw mo ang laptop ni ma'am. Ikaw pala ang top 1,
Let's make my son's favorite overnight oats using handful ingredients. First, shred a small apple. A medium apple will make you 2 servings of
ginawa
overnight
yun?
oats.
Alam mo bang major offense yun, ha?
Then in a mason jar, add half a cup of oats, then add the shredded apple and some chia seeds. My son loves chia seeds, so I add 2 tablespoons.
Alam ko walang
Then I add
tao
some
nun.
blueberries and a
Paano
little
siya
bit of
nakakuha ng
sweetener.
video? Scarlett,
Fill it up with milk,
paano mo nagawa
close it,
yun?
and give it a good mix.
Ha? Ang alin? Nakita kita kanina. May hawak kang relo.
I open it back up and I add more
bigla
milk.
ka na lang nawala.
Close it and keep it in the fridge
Nakita mo yung
overnight.
Jess ka?
Serve it the
Huwag
next
kang
day in a
maingay,
jar
ha?
or in a bowl.
Dahil ang relo na to may
For
sumpa.
those of you that didn't like
Ano
that
ba
green cheese
meron
and
sa
bell pepper
relo
idea,
mo?
go ahead and
Dahil
try with
galing to
guacamole
sa...
instead. Cut up an avocado, then using a knife and a spoon, scoop out the insides of the avocado onto a plate. Then try some salt, pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and about half a lime. You can also add some onions and garlic as well. Mash it up using a fork and then set aside. Then, cut the bell peppers in half and then remove the stem and seeds. Using a spoon, scoop out the avocado mix and then add them onto the bell peppers. Then, add some everything bagel seasoning. These are easy to make, they're low carbs, and delicious. Enjoy! These blueberry yogurt bites are so addicting, and this is how you make them. Using a toothpick, dip the blueberries into any yogurt. I use vanilla, and then place them on a sheet pan lined up with parchment paper. Freeze for 1 to 2 hours, then remove from freezer and serve immediately. They're so easy to make, so delicious and healthy. You can freeze the rest and serve later. Enjoy. Have you tried the yogurt toast yet? I did, and I thought it was absolutely delicious. All you need is a little bit of yogurt. I used plain yogurt, 1 egg, a little bit of honey or maple syrup, and I added a little bit of vanilla. You can add some cinnamon instead. Add them over your toast. Top with some fruits, whatever fruits you have handy. Bake in the oven at 375 for about 12 to 15 minutes. Drizzle with some honey
Nanganak
and
na yung
enjoy.
kapitbahay natin. Tapos ng balita, hindi daw kamukha ng tatay. Ay, grabe naman yan. Malaking issue yan, Mari. Ano ba yan? Ang tagal ni nanay. Oh, Mars, nandiyan na pala yung asawa mo. Hi, mahal. Oh, mahal, lasing ka na naman. Papasok ka nga dito. Nay, aalis na ako ah. Teka lang anak, dalhin mo to. Ingat ka ah. Sige na, Nay. Init. Huwag muna ako. Ah, tinalasan tubig. Baka ibang flavor lang.
A few moments later.
Kyle, bakit ngayon ka lang? Late ka na. Good morning, classmates. Hi, ma'am. Ang ganda mo naman. Ano nagsasabi mo? Lasing ka ba? Ako? Lasing? Baliw ka na ata eh.
Bakit absent ka kahapon, Scarlett? Ma'am, nagkasakit po kasi ako. Nagkasakit? Tatamad lang yan, ma'am.
Papansin talaga itong si Samantha.
Nasa yung evidensya mo na nagkasakit ka? Pero no offense letter, ma'am. Ay, letter lang? Nasa yung medical certificate? Medical certificate, ma'am? Hindi naman tayo pupunta ng doktor. Oh, paano ko malalaman na totoo nagkasakit ka? Ito po, ma'am. Chat namin ng nanay ko. Ito po, ma'am. Ito po, ma'am. Nanay ko. Sus, kinuha mo lang yun sa internet eh. Papansin ka? Kulang sa pansin eh. Ay, hindi ko tatanggapin yan, be. Hindi kita i-excuse. Dapat medical certificate yung ibigay mo sa akin. Aba, ma'am, kailangan ka pang nagkakasakit, may medical certificate agad? Paano kung masakit lang yung katawan? Paano kung masakit lang yung puson? Kailangan mo agad ng doktor? Hindi kami mayaman, ma'am.
Wow! Gising na siya! Ang pala mo rin dito sa bahay. Nay, huwag yun please. Alam mo, bilib din ako sa'yo eh. Wala na nga tayong makain, nagpabuntis ka pa. Buti pa yung anak ni Rosa, pag-aaral ay natupag. Nakakawalang gana! Yan, umalis ka! Diyan ka magaling!
Kasalanan mo to! Sinira mo yung future ko! Ate, please, tigilan mo yan. Walang kasalanan yung bata.
Hindi! Dahil dito, galit sa akin si nanay. Kaya dapat mawala na to!
Ate, wag!
Niggas money, what we finna do?
ate.
Then leave.
Anak,
Then leave.
kain
Get
ka
that bread,
na.
get that head, then leave. Then leave. Bitch, then leave. Get that bread, get that head, then leave. Peace out.
Club Godzilla, I ain't tricking, I'm just digging bitches down, head down, pop that pussy to the ground. She a freak, hoe, I put her on the team. If you keep your pussy clean, then scream.
Yung pinag-usapan natin.
Nah, I can't get her nothing. I
Hihintayin ko
can't
lang
get her
mga
nothing.
babae to.
Whenever I have yogurt my kids won't eat, I make these frozen yogurt
Bibigyan
bars.
agad yung
I use
pera
blueberry,
sa
key lime pie, and a strawberry banana yogurt.
Anak ko.
Pour the yogurt onto a sheet pan lined up with wax paper.
O anak,
Then
okay
using
ka
a
lang? Walang
spatula,
hiya ka, Nay!
spread the yogurt out into
Sama
a thin,
mo!
even layer.
Akala ko, totoo nagbago ka na.
Then,
Pero pa
top
rin
it off
pala
with your
nasa
favorite
utak
fruits.
mo.
I
Ay,
added blueberries
bakit?
and
Wala ka nang
strawberries.
pakinabang dito. At least yung anak mo,
I also added some vanilla.
papakinabangan ko.
Freeze for 3 to 4 hours.
Papakain
Then remove from
Napakasama
freezer,
mo.
and then cut them up into even
Nalayas
squares.
na ako sa impyernong to. Sige, lumayas
These were so
ka.
easy to make and
Sino
so
tinakot
good.
mo? Tignan natin kung saan ka pupulutin.
Hello, Bes.
Hello, Bes. Kilala mo ba si Edward?
Oo, Bes. Siya yung ama ng dinadala ko.
Mayaman pala sila, Bes. Gusto kanyang makita kasi gusto niyang panagutan yung baby mo.
Talaga?
Oo, Bes.
Ito na yung Bes.
Bes, hindi mo na kailangan magtiis na nanay mo.
Hindi pwedeng anak ko lang ang makikinabang sa yaman ng lalaki niyo. Dapat ako din.
Using a measuring cup, scoop out about
Anak,
batter onto
umaga na oh. Kising ka pa din?
Oo, nice.
Bukas na kasi yung thesis
Insert the
defense
pancakes,
namin.
and then add some
Kailangan
fresh fruits.
i-review
I
yung mga
added more
papel
blueberries
namin
and
eh.
Hay naku,
Serve with
baka
maple
magkasakit ka na
syrup.
niyan ah.
Bahala na na.
Yak anak ha, daan mo. Nice. Na-defend namin yung thesis namin. Wow, congrats anak. Ibig sabihin, oo Nay, gagraduate na ako. Salamat naman at makakapagtapos ka na anak. Oo nga Nay eh, worth it lahat ng stress at puyat. Kita ko nga sa mukha mo anak ko, sobrang dry, sobrang dull. Tapos parang na-sunburn din no? Nay, ayoko naman magmukhang zombie sa graduation namin. I got you anak. O eto, gamitin mo to Glad to Glow Brightening Moisturizer. Ginagamit ko to araw-araw anak. Moisturizing talaga at madali ma-absorb ng skin. Take note, suitable to for all skin types. Grabe na yun, nag-brighten talaga yung skin ko. Ready na ako sa graduation namin. O diba, sabi ko naman sa'yo eh, I got you. Mukhang mainit na naman yung dugo niya.
Palagi naman. Okay, class, bring out one sheet of yellow paper. Mag-essay kayo.
Patay, yellow pad. Ah, be, Scarlett, pengin naman ako niyan.
Ayoko. Last week ka pa, ha? Muna na kung yellow pad ko. Ha? Tuloy ka kaya? Class, pass your research paper. Last week pa yan. Ma'am, ito na po yung akin. Oh, Scarlett, kasi mga grupo mo. Tinanggal ko na po. Ha? Ba't mo kami tinanggal? Yung mga pinapasa mo, walang kwenta. Binigyan na kita ng chance, di ba? At ikaw naman, Samantha, hindi ka naman nagsisin ng GC, di ba? Oh, kayong dalawa, gumawa kayo ng sarili ng research, ha? Bes, paano na tayo
Let's make these flourless peanut butter banana muffins. They're super moist and so fluffy. You'll need 1 cup of peanut butter, a quarter cup of maple syrup, 2 mashed bananas, vanilla, baking soda, and 2 eggs. Using a hand mixer or a blender, mix them together until they're combined
Ano ba
and
yan?
smooth.
Kasi tumating sa
Then
dinadaan.
add about a half a cup of dark chocolate chips. Mix again. Grease a pan and then add the batter
Bulag ka
into
ba?
the mix.
Ha? Kita mong
Top with
dumadaan
more
ako dito
chocolate
tapos
chips or
babanggitin
nuts.
mo ako?
Wow,
Bake at 400
maldita
for
ka!
about 13 to
Kala mo
15
di kita
minutes.
papatulan?
Allow these to
Bakit?
cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before you remove from the pan. They're so good. Enjoy. Have you guys ever tried dragon fruit? I found these yellow ones at Costco, and this is how you cut them. You slice off the top and the bottom, then you carefully peel off the skin. Then you slice them and serve. They're sweet and delicious. These chocolate baked oats are so good, you have to try them.
Hi, tita.
Mash up half a
Ako
ripe
nga pala
banana.
si Enzo, ang
Then add some quick
jowa ni
oats,
Scarlett.
cocoa powder, maple syrup or honey, baking powder, any nut butter, and some almond milk. Then splash a little bit of vanilla, give them a good mix until they're well combined.
A few
Then
moments
top it off with some more
later.
sliced bananas and a little bit of dark chocolate chips. Bake at 400 for about 18 to 20 minutes. It comes out so gooey and delicious. Enjoy. Make these 4-ingredient peanut butter cookies. You need 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. Give them a good mix until they're combined. Then, using a scooper, scoop about a tablespoon of the dough and then roll it into balls. Place them on a sheet pan lined up with parchment paper. Then make these cute little lines and then bake them for about 10 minutes at 350. Allow them to cook completely before eating. Enjoy.
Ito price list. Holding hands, 200 pesos. Hug, 300 pesos. Kiss sa kamay, 500 pesos. Kiss sa noo, 700 pesos. Kiss sa lips, 1,000 pesos. At kung makikipag-date kayo sa isa't isa, 3,000 pesos at dapat sagot mo yung bill ha. 3 hours lang yun. Kung mag-extend ka, pwede naman mag-bayad ng additional. At bawal tumawad. Pili ka na lang.
Gayang mahal naman, Diyos ko.
Eh ano naman, business is business. Kailangan ko ma-ROI mga nagastos ko sa'yo. O ito po tita, cheque. Unlimited kiss na yan na.
Cheque.
Kahit gumawa pa kayo ng 10 anak. 1 million ba to?
I guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me.
Demanda mo ako?
I drive
Ano ba ginawa ko sa'yo? Oo, ipapademanda kita. Gagawin mo pa ako ng gusto mo, ha? Wala ka naman. Tsaka ang mahal naman ng mga presyo mo. Hindi naman galagan sa mga teka lang, joke lang yun eh. Mahilig talaga ako mag-ganon. Isusumbong ko kayo sa tatay ko, Mayor. See you sa kulungan. Kukulong na naman ako.